Hi, I'm Siolan. I've been a Unity Health patient since 2018 and a volunteer since 2019. It makes my life easier to have my health information at my fingertips through MyChart. Before an appointment, I can check in online on my own schedule. Whether it's in the evening or on the weekend, MyChart is always available. Being able to do that before my appointment saves me time when I come in and lets me focus on why I'm there, to receive care. I also love knowing that the information I'm seeing on MyChart is the same info my healthcare team is seeing.
Hi, I'm Harry, and I've been a patient at Unity Health for over 22 years. MyChart makes appointments easier. I can let the team know in advance about the supports I will need for my disability so they are prepared. I also like that you can update to your chosen name in MyChart. Now the staff and physicians know to call me Harry instead of Harold. I can also prepare any questions I want to ask, as I will have better access to my health information. I don't have to take notes and remember everything in the appointment either, because afterwards I'll have access to my after-visit summary.
Hello, I'm Bev, and I'm a Unity Health patient. After a hospital visit or appointment, I often find myself wanting more information. That's where MyChart comes in really handy. You can easily access health information directly from your care team, so you don't need to search for trustworthy health information online to figure things out. Plus, you can check out the notes from your specialists to get even more details about your condition. And the best part, if you had any labs or tests during your visit, you can see the results on MyChart as soon as they're ready.
Hi, I'm Cheyenne, and my mother is a patient at Unity Health. My mom gave me access to her MyChart so I can keep up with her care and make sure she gets the support she needs. I act as her health navigator. Before MyChart, it was hard to keep track of everything. Her appointments, test results, recommendations from her care providers. MyChart helps to streamline it all. I can use one system to keep up with her care at Unity Health, and even connect it to other hospitals that are using a similar patient portal.